Khulumbai to all my Bodo friends and brothers and sisters. The most important thing is not leading the Triprasas. The most important thing is how to keep our unity together. If we are united, we can get whatever we dream for, whether it is Greater Tripraland, whether it is Bodoland, because we all know eventually the final solution is getting our self-rule. But in the meanwhile, in the interim, it is very important for our leaders to be strong, united, and not become scared of whoever is in power in Guwahati or in Agartala or in Delhi. We have to remain united. We have to speak for our people. And if we can speak for our people without being scared of who our leaders are, whether they're in BJP, Congress or any other party, then only we can succeed. Our people have expectations from us, and my job and my duty is to first speak for my people rather than speak for my party. And my people want constitutional solution. Bodos want constitutional solutions. Dimasas, Karbis, Khasi, Garo, Jaintiyas, Chakmas in Mizoram, everybody wants constitutional solution. And if the indigenous people can unite, we will be a factor. Northeast is not taken seriously because we are fighting with each other, we are fighting amongst each other, but we are not fighting for each other. The day we can fight for each other, we will achieve far bigger heights than we can ever have dreamt of.
So, what about the Bodo communities in Northeast Assam?
See, Bodos are like Triprasas. We are brothers. Our language is almost the same. Our culture is very same. I just want the Bodos to realize one thing, that do not stop negotiating with the government of India. It is our right to demand for whatever is given to us in the constitution. And my only message to the Bodo people is, if you remain together, if you stop fighting in the name of language, in the name of religion, in the name of different political parties, then more can be achieved. We also support the demand of Bodoland. I know that many Bodos support our demand of Greater Tripraland. But the fact is that only extending support will not happen. We need to go and speak in one voice, together, whoever it is, it may be. It may be Congress, it may be BJP today, it may be some other party tomorrow. But the fact is that we are not speaking for a party, we are speaking for a jati. And that is very important.
Neighbor Guwahati Beltolayaw, Zana neighbor Tripra sa cultural festival, बेवहाय जोंनि मानगोनां त्रिपुरानि राजा प्रद्युत बिक्रम मानिक्य बिथाङा जोंनि बड' नेशनेल स्टुडेन्टस इउनियन जोंखौ लेंहरनानै नैबे प्रग्रामाव बाहागो लानानै गोबां जोंजों फैबाय थानाय बर'फोरनि इस्युनि सायाव सावरायदों आरो बिथाङा जोंखौ जोबोद मोनसे इन्सपिरेसन होदों जिहेतु जोङो त्रिपुरासाजों आरो बर'जों जों बिदा फंबाय आरो एखे माने प्रब्लेम्स जिहेतु बिथांमोनहा त्रिपुरायाव बेंगलिसफोरजों गादब जानानै बिथांमोना गावसिनि हायावनो दिनै एकदम हालाय हाफाय खुनु मोनसे अधिकार थागिबिनि मोनाखै दा थिग बिदिनो जोंनि बर'फोरखौ फिन खेबसे माने आलाय सिलाय जानायखौ नुनानै बिथाङा जोंखौ लेंहरनानै गोबां इन्सपिरेसन एबा गोबांबार बिथाङा सावरायबाय थादों आरो आगोलबो गोबांबार जों सावरायलायदों दा दिनैहाय जोंखौ लेंहरनायनि मेन उद्देश्यआनो जाबाय फैबाय थानाय समाव जोंनि ट्राइबेलफोरनि मोनथाय जोंनि सारा नर्थ इस्ट जोंनि बर'ल' नङा त्रिपुरासाल' नङा जोंनि डिमासा कार्बिस गासैबो काउन्सिल 6 शेड्युल एरियासनि जाय बिथांमोना सोमावसारदों बे सोमावसारग्रा हान्जाखौ जयै लानानै दिनै दिल्लीयाव जन्तर मन्तराव मैखोम भाबै आन्दोलन खालामनायनि जि पलिसि स्ट्रेटेजिखौ बिथाङा बानायबाय थादों आरो जों थांनाय बोसोराव 2023 आव बिथांखौ गावनि रेसिडेन्स आगरतलायाव लोगो मोनहैनानै सावरायनानै गोबांबार जोङो माने जोंनि फैबाय थानाय स्ट्रेटेजि पलिसिखौ जों लानाय जादों आरो बिथाङा बावैसो लास्ट मान्थआवहाय जुलाइ मासावहाय क'क्राझारावहाय 3 MLA फाथायनानै जों सावरायलायनायनि जि पलिसि फैबाय थानाय समाव जिथु मुभमेन्टनि स्ट्रेटेजि बेखौ बिथाङा दैथायहरनानै जों गोबां गुवारैनो सावरायदों आरो फैबाय थानाय समाव निश्चय बिथाङा जोंनि बर'फोरनि जिथु बनसुननि जिथु निउ जेनेरेशन्स गोदान लाइमोनफोरनि जि स्पिरिट जि मुभमेन्टनि जि मोनसे स्ट्रेटेजि बिथाङा जोबोद मोजां मोनदों आरो जोबोद सापर्ट होबाय थादों आरो फैबाय थानाय समाव गोसो खुलायै मेन्टेलि फिजिकेलि बिथाङा होनो थाखाय दिनै जोंनि गेजेराव बिथाङा खोथा होबाय